Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Let's see how to draw downtrend line on candlestick chart. I'll draw downtrend line on different time frames. In case you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Drawing a downtrend line on line chart and candlesticks are almost same. In line charts, we'll have only closing values, whereas in candlesticks, we can see open, high, low and close. So there are two important points to remember. The first one is, while drawing a downtrend line, we'll have to start from the highest point, that is high of the candle. And the second point, while drawing the downtrend line, make sure the price always remains below the trend line till the trend line breaks. Let's go and draw a downtrend line here on this diagram. So here in this diagram, this is the highest point for now. I'll start from this candle's high, and you can see I have attached this line to 3 points on the lower side. Now here again, if you see, the prices from here have been continuously falling down. So I can go ahead and draw one more downtrend line here. I'll start from this point. I'll just pull the line on the downside, and this is the second downtrend line. Now let's go ahead and see how many points I have attached this downtrend line to. This is the first point, this is the second, the third point, fourth point and the fifth point. And here on the first trend line, the first downtrend line, I have attached it to 1, 2 and almost 3 points. So here in this diagram, if you see, the price has always remained below the trend line. This is the first part and this second part, you can see the price is below the trend line itself. This is how you have to draw the downtrend line. Let's go ahead and check out some charts. Let's see Tata Steel first in the monthly time frame. I'll change the time frame to monthly. This is a monthly chart and I'm using tradingview.com. Now here in this chart, if you see, this was the highest point, and from here the prices have been falling down. Let me draw a downtrend line here. So this is the highest point. I'll just pull the line on the downside. This is the one downtrend line what I see, but if you see here, the prices have breached the trend line here. Let me see if I can draw a better trend line. I'll start from the next highest point. This is the next lower high. Yes, this looks quite good. I'll delete the first trend line what I had drawn. Now if you see, I have started from here and then attached to this point, then this point. There are 2 points I have attached to. So Tata Steel still looks in a downtrend until and unless it doesn't break this trend line. Let's go ahead and check Tata Motors in monthly chart. This is Tata Motors monthly chart. We have to identify the highest point first. This is the highest point. From this point, I'll start drawing a downtrend line. Well, you can see I have attached to 2 points here. This is the first point what I have attached to, and this is the second point. Tata Steel is trading near the trend line. So in case this trend line breaks, there are good chances the stock can move up to 200 rupees, or if it fails, it can come back to the recent low what it has made. Now for now, Tata Motors is in a downtrend. Let's go ahead and see some more charts in weekly time frame. Let me go to Wipro. This is Wipro. I'll change it to weekly time frame. Now here in this chart, you can see this was the point what it had made a high. So let's start drawing a trend line from here, the downtrend line. Here in this chart, I've started from this point and I have attached to this point. There's just one point I have attached to. Let me see if I can draw one more downtrend line from this point. So it doesn't look so good. So this is the one downtrend line what I have now. And you can see once the price broke this level, how beautifully it has moved up. Let's go ahead and check out one more chart. Let's see Dr. Reddy in weekly time frame. Dr. Reddy Labs. Let me zoom in and see. Okay, so this is the highest point what price had made, and from here the price had fallen down. Let's go ahead and draw a trend line here. Let me mark the highest point again. This is the highest point. This is the one downtrend line what I have. But you can see the prices have gone outside the trend line here. Here in this area, the price have gone outside the trend line. Let me try and draw one more downtrend line. This doesn't look better. Well, this doesn't look so good. Let me go and attach to the next point. Well, this line is little better. Let me remove the first trend line what I had drawn. Now if you see here, once the price broke this level, almost the breakout level is coming at the same point here, this level, and after the break you can see how prices have gone up. Prices have slowly moved up and has almost touched 5400 levels in the month of September. The breakout was somewhere around 2400 to 5400. It was a good rally. Now let's check out some charts in daily time frame. Let me go to Bharat Forge. Let's change it to daily time frame. Well, this is how the daily time frame looks. I can see the highest point here. Let's start drawing a downtrend line from this point. Okay, if I draw this line, I can just connect it to one point here. That's it. This is the only point I'm getting connected to. Let's try drawing one more downtrend line from this point. Well, this downtrend line looks better. I've attached it to 1 point, 2, 3, and once the price broke here, you can see the upward momentum. The price have beautifully moved up. This is how we can draw the downtrend line, and once the downtrend line breaks, there are good chances the prices can move upside or it can consolidate for some time. Let's go ahead and check one more chart. Let me go to Apple. Well, this is the Apple chart. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this was the point from where the prices have started falling down. Let's go ahead and draw a downtrend line here. Now here if you see, I have attached it to 2 points here, and this was the third point, and once the price broke this level, the prices have moved up, and probably I can draw one more downtrend line here from this high. Well, this as well looks very good. You can see here I have attached almost to this point and this point, and once the price broke this level, there was a bullish candle close above the trend line. The direction of the stock has changed. Let's see where the stock is trading currently. Okay, it has beautifully gone up from almost $62 till $135. Let's go ahead and check Nifty and Bank Nifty as well in 15 minutes time frame. Probably this will help the day traders and the swing traders. Okay, I have drawn different levels on Nifty here. This is the reason why this chart is looking like this. Let me change it to 15 minutes. This is today's chart. I had marked this trend line as well. You can see I had identified this as the high, and from here, from this point, I had drawn the line attaching to the highs on the lower side. Well, this was not such a good trend line, so I had to draw one more trend line here. I started from this point, attach it to highs here and this high, and once the trend broke, you can see how the price had moved to the upper level. Almost from 11,641, it had made a high of 11,725. Let me erase all these drawings. Let me show you how I had drawn. The first thing was I had identified the high. So this was one high from where the prices have been falling down. Let's start drawing trend line from here. So this is going to be one trend line, and I can draw one more downtrend line from here. Now this is the one what I was showing you some time back. This is the current trend line. Currently the prices have broken the trend line. You can see I have started drawing trend line from here. I attached to this point and a high here, and once the price broke, it has beautifully moved up. Now let's go ahead and check Bank Nifty. Well, here in Bank Nifty, this was the highest point what it has created in the month of October. Now let me draw a downtrend line from here. I can just attach it to one point here. In case if I have to draw one more trend line, let me check it out how it looks. So the only trend line what I feel is good is this, attaching to just single point. And today price opened above this trend line, and then you can see the upward momentum. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.